So guys, welcome to BOBA AI, your creative partners of generating stunning image and animation clips using just your words. And BOBA AI uses advanced artificial intelligence to transform text prompt into realistic images and short videos. Maybe we are designed to content creator or simply exploring the power of AI art. The Boba AI helps you bring imagination of life, effortless and tutorial. We talk about creating your account, creating premium access, and generating images, converting into the videos, and applying for a unique visual. So, how to create your generate a Boba AI? Simple visit of our official Boba AI website. Click here in link in description now. Sign up and get buttons. You can register using email address. Quickly sign up and using Google and other social media account. Once you have verified your email, your Boba AI account is ready to use. So you will land to your dashboard where you can start exploring image and video generation and the feature instantly how to create account. So, to unlock advanced features like higher resolution images faster and rendering, extended the animation length, upgrade to a premium plan. On your dashboard, click on upgrade and erase the pricing, then choose the plan, the best suits, and follow the secure payment process using your preferred method. So once you upgrade your account, we automatically gain access to your Pro Tools, priority processing, exclusive efforts that exchange enhance your creative experience. So how to generate? Then now let's start creating our first image. Go to the image generator and type your prompt. For example, there should be meeting five character. How do we make it here different? You can fine tune setting and lifestyle aspect ratios, lighting and realism levels here. Once your prompt is ready, click artistic generate and your Boba AI work with magic within seconds. Your image will be appear ready to download and refine further. Next, to transform the into image short animations. So, short animation clip here. Click the more in animate your images video option. Select your generate image. Choose the mentioned style and click on and edit. You will see your image has been animated. You can also filter like zoom, pan, character movement or environment animation and set of duration of clips here. Boba AI will be automatically animate a scene of animation your image and artist style. You can preview export of videos once you certify applying your different effects. And to make your animation stand out, explore the Boba AI effects. The panel here you can add filter like cinematic tones and neon blur transition and color. You can also add a filter like colors, color balance here, partial effects here. You can dynamic weather such as rain, fog, snowfall, adjust brightness, contrast, speed of the perfect final touch. So export your masterpiece MP4 or a GIF format here. Share your directly to your personal social media audience here, and that's it. And you will learn how to create account, upgrade premium features, generating images and with them to videos, apply beautiful effects your animation. You can also add effect to your animation using Boba AI.